Hey there, and welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. If you're a fan of learning new and intriguing things, then you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 5 fascinating facts that are sure to surprise you. These are facts that you might not know, but once you do, you'll be eager to share them with your friends and family. From surprising science to incredible history, we've got a little bit of everything for you today. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed as we dive into these incredible facts. So, let's get started. Fact number 1. Did you know that there is a species of jellyfish that is immortal? The Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, has the unique ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form, essentially starting its life cycle anew. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to transform its body into a younger state, effectively bypassing death and potentially living forever. Imagine if humans had this ability. This means that it can essentially live forever, making it one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Fact number 2. Did you know that your brain uses 20% of your body's energy, despite only accounting for 2% of its mass? This is because your brain is constantly working, even when you're resting. It's responsible for controlling your movements, processing information, and regulating your bodily functions. Every thought, every movement, and every breath you take requires energy. This is why it's so important to fuel your brain with the right nutrients and give it plenty of rest. Fact number 3. Did you know that the Great Wall of China is not visible from space? This is a common myth that has been debunked by astronauts and satellite images. While the Great Wall is a very long structure stretching over 13,000 miles, it is also very narrow and blends in with the surrounding landscape, making it difficult to see from space. The myth likely originated from the impressive scale of the wall, but in reality it's not as visible as we once thought. Fact number 4. Did you know that trees can communicate with each other through a network of fungi? This network, known as the Wood Wide Web, allows trees to share nutrients and information with each other. Through this underground network, trees can send distress signals about drought, disease, or insect attacks, and even share resources like water and nutrients. It's a fascinating example of how trees are interconnected and interdependent. This hidden communication network helps maintain the health and balance of forest ecosystems. Fact number 5. Did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? Butterflies have tiny sensors on their feet that help them detect the sweetness or bitterness of a substance. These sensors are called chemoreceptors, and they allow butterflies to taste their environment simply by landing on it. This helps them choose the right plants to feed on and lay their eggs, ensuring the survival of their species. Isn't nature amazing?